Got this Shark Matrix self-empty robot. It is a matrix clean, no spots missed. Gonna unbox it and get it going. Got a quick start guide. It says to unbox it. It says place the base in a location with a strong Wi-Fi signal. Attach a side brush. Put the robot on self-emptying base. Download the app to program it. So we got two boxes inside the big box. One has the robot and the side brush. The other has the self-empty base. Robot side brush. This is just a little thing that rakes the edges into the main brush. Just snaps on right here. Any orientation that it will go. Alright. You have the rotating brush there. You got your drive wheels here. It's got a lot of plastic. Just peel off all this plastic. There we go. And same thing, you got the QR code to download the app. Robot power on off. Connect it to Wi-Fi. It's got a spot clean option. Indicator lights here. This tells what they mean. Peel here. I'm going to leave that on there. And here we have the base. I took the plastic off the outside. This is where the robot docks up. This is a little container for the dirt. I suspect it has a vacuum motor somewhere here that vacuums the dirt from your robot up into this container. And a filter right there. It's got a power cord there. Looks like I just need to plug it up and download the app. Here on the back side where some of them have the dirt catch tray, this is just a filter. Looks like it's where it sucks the dirt through here back up into the base. Just pinch and pull out. Not much else to do here. Wanted to clean the hair out of the roller. You just pinch these, pull that out, lifts out, goes back in. That orientation. Right like that. Put this back on. Okay, it says the robot will turn itself on when properly placed in the dock. Which way's properly? Well, you've got to have your suction side here facing into the dock. So it's actually ready to go, backed in like a state trooper there, ready to launch out. So normally they drive themselves into the dock. Oh, yep, just set it down there. Got the charging lights going. If I just had the app, would be good. Look at that. Start it up on its own. Stopping to me. This is running, so it's sucking any dirt out of here. It's part of its self-clean feature. Okay, I had to switch camera, so I'm going to download the app. Just put my camera on there and click on there. Go to unlock my phone. Should take me right to the app store. I've already got Shark Clean installed because I have another Shark cleaner. Oh, Steve McLean was my old one. Let's see if I can connect another. Add a robot. Pair my robot. Okay, here it says plug it in. Make sure it's charging. Put it in discovery mode. Hold these two buttons.
I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi.
Ready to connect. Continue. Next. Okay, got my network. Punch in my password. Robot configuring the robot is a success. It's trying to connect it to the server. See those lights blinking down there? It says it's connecting. It connected successfully. Alright, next thing wants me to register the robot. Now my last one was called Steve McLean, so I have to come up with a different name for this one. So basically now I'll just name it. I'm going to name it Dustin Bieber. Clever names by Shark. Alright, finish. Ready to start building your map. So battery's at 30%. So once the battery's started, I can hit start and let it go, start mapping out. Now if it's anything like my other Shark, which I'm sure it is, the same app, you can set a program or a schedule. Like I had the other one come out every morning, 9 a.m., run its route, and that way you don't have to come press the button every day. But you can set your schedule however you like. And there it goes on its maiden voyage. It's mapping out the room, supposedly. I want it to vacuum that rug eventually. There she goes. Alright, and when the robot was finished, it actually did build a map of the room. My older robot didn't do this, but you can see the picture there. That is a pretty good representation of the room and the furniture that's in it. So I'm pretty impressed. And that's how that works with Hank Ball. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure you like and subscribe.